Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
Today we are going to give you tips for sacadas. What to do, what not to do during sacadas.
In this case, a front sacada and the point of contact.
But before going to the video, remember to subscribe. If you're enjoying it, like and share with your friends.
Without further ado, let's start working right away. All right, we are going to start up with the sacada. We are going to show you right away the sacada that we are doing. Sacada and front, and from here you can go to any other figure, resolution, basic step, you name it. But here's the thing: what are we doing during the sacada?
For followers, when I receive the sacada, I transfer body weight at first. As soon as I feel he's going to do sacada, transfer body weight, and then get the moving leg very much free of weight. So I'm moving to the rotation and moving away from the leader. So I'm rotating my hips to face, in this case, very much to the front. So he's free to go to the next position. So that means that if you feel he's removing the left leg, don't put weight there, and don't be slow doing this or slow on the move with the moving leg sacada. So we have to accelerate the move and go pivoting to the next position until healing. So I'm using the pivot and I'm removing the leg from his way as fast as I can.
Yep. So one thing for the leader tip. Second tip. Now from here, we are adding, when we are doing this sacada, make sure you go a little bit, the contact will happen with the upper thigh. So this part of my leg is contacting her outside part of the leg. So we go one, bam. In order to do that, we should be mindful that we have to step a little closer to the base leg, her back leg, sorry, not the base. Because if we step closer to this one, creating that is a sacada, she will may get stuck. So step closer to the back leg, so this sacada is easier for her, yes? From here, it's not wrong to come back, but it's nicer, I always recommend, to keep going in the direction that you did the sacada and then keep going. I've seen a lot of leaders doing sacada and coming back. Again, it's not wrong, but...
You have to use more lead, which is sacada, bouncing, returning, so you need more leads.
Exactly.
For that.
Yeah, it's nicer when it's fluid and it flows to the next figure without any force.
Fathers, when you feel the sacada in this case, very important the angle of your hips to feel the sacada, to receive the sacada on upper legs. So that is from the leader's position, the lead, but also we can cooperate, we can align the hips in a way that you're going to receive the sacada on upper leg, not on your knees, not on lower legs or front part of your leg. Let me show you that. So
before we continue with the second part of this video, we would like to invite you to check out our website, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
This is an awesome online tango school where you can see a lot of videos, a lot of technique, a lot of topics, all you need.
You have the option to have downloadable videos or also watch all of them as part of our Tango membership.
Once again, the website is miriamleonardotango.com.
Now, let's continue with the second part.
So we are doing this. He's leading me for kind of backward ocho, but I feel his leg already touching my leg or contacting my leg, and I know this is going to be a displacement or sacada. So I try to move. See, the hip is facing now in front of me. I try to pivot my right foot and move my hip all the way around. Pivot.
Makes a big difference.
Move the hips all around. Let me show you if I don't do that. If you don't rotate or move the hip, you will receive the sacada here, and it's kind of pushing him, and we are not creating a good angle for next step. And it becomes like very heavy leg. Or another cases is when she's really not pivoting much and you feel the sacada knee to knee. Contact of sacada is knee to knee, which is wrong. The contact of sacada is upper legs. So feel this, I can go lower or higher, but everything happens on upper leg from the leader to this place and go to the next position.
Yeah. it will feel like we are making up this figure that is wrong and everything. But trust me, I've danced with a lot of followers, and that is one of the most common problems that we see when we do this sacada. Follower not rotating and doing this. Boom, here, even though the leader is trying to rotate her, they still do that.
Doesn't pivot.
Yes, make sure you open up. Boom. It's very, very nice feeling when you do that.
Okay, so be sure not to crash your knees on your partners.
Yeah.
Don't do accidents on sacadas. Sacadas are very beautiful step and could be very safe with good technique.
Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate if you put a like, you subscribe to the channel. You are supporting us to keep growing every day a little more.
See you on the next one.
Bye. Take care.